Hi, welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove recommended on Windows 11 and explain what each setting does and why it matters. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button located on the taskbar, which is the main menu used to access apps, settings, and system features in Windows 11. This right-click option gives you quick access to Start-related settings. Step 2. Click on Start Settings from the menu, which opens the Start Customization area inside Windows Settings. This section controls how the Start menu looks and what content appears in it. Then click on Personalization. Step 3. Click on Layout, where Windows lets you choose how space is divided between pinned apps and the recommended section. This option is important because it changes how much content you see at the top of the Start menu. Step 4. Select More Pins instead of Default, which reduces the size of the recommended section and shows more pinned apps. This helps minimize recommended items but does not fully remove them. Step 5. Turn off Show Recently Opened Items, which stops Windows from displaying recently used files and apps in the recommended area. This step is important if you want the Start menu to look cleaner and more private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tips.